Hi guys, it's Khushi and welcome to another episode of DIY Fridays. In today's video, I'm going to make a custom Ludo board game. So let's get started. For the board, I'm using a square piece of cardboard which is about this thick. You can use whichever cardboard you have. The size of this one is 17.2 centimeter. You can just take a 17 centimeter square. If you want a bigger version of the board game, then just double the size. I'm going to coat this board with acrylic gesso. Once the gesso layer has dried, grab a pencil and a scale and start marking. First, I'm going to draw a 1.1 centimeter border. You can just go with 1 centimeter. This will give me a 15 centimeter inside square. Now in the inner square, I'm marking at 1 centimeter distance on all 4 sides, basically dividing one side in 15 parts. After that is done, I highlighted the 6th and 9th marking. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3 and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then connect the markings as shown. This will give you the playing track and 4 6 centimeter squares at the corner. Now for these squares, draw a 1 centimeter border as shown. Now draw lines on the playing track to make the squares. Next step is to draw diagonal lines in the center. Then make markings as shown to draw circles with 0.5 centimeter radius for the tokens. As this one is a custom Ludo, you can go with whichever color you like. I'm going with pastel shades. I have this Fevikwil pastel acrylic colors. I'm going to pick 4: lavender purple, pale pink, aqua blue and buttercup yellow. Now you can decide how you want the colors to be and start painting. Wait, before that let me just show you the tokens. You can easily find this at a stationery shop for 5 to 10 rupees. This packet was for 5 rupees as the tokens are small. Once you are done with the pastel shades, paint the remaining area with white acrylic paint. Now here you can keep this as simple as you want, but I wanted some design. So I'm using mint green and mixing a little bit of Payne's grey to darken the pastel shade, and you can draw whichever pattern you like. For the line detail, I'm using a grey color as black will be too harsh. After the line work is done, I'm going to use darker shade of pastel colors to do the design work. You can mix Payne's grey with the pastel shades to make them darker, but for yellow I used burnt sienna. Now it's time to paint the tokens. First coat the token with acrylic gesso and then use the pastel color over it. And this is what our custom Ludo looks like. It turned out so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such DIY videos, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.